Hey there, Tom here from FibonacciCharts.com, your midday market recap for June 25. We had some issues. Hi Shai, thank you very much for joining. I know we have very interesting games now. We have France against Poland and we have Austria versus Netherlands, but we are here to make money. Hi Shai, once again, thank you very much for joining this live. Let me just quiet everything else here. 1 second. Sorry for the inconvenience. I had also some issues with my internet. So, how are you doing this evening? Who is with me? Say hi, don't be shy. These lives are for you and for me. Forget football. Yeah, this is why I'm here. I'm watching the football here on my multi-screens. Silent. So what should we talk about? First, let's talk about SPY on the 65 minutes. As you can see, we opened the day, and since day 3 consecutive dojis, 543 is the support. All this area, 544, 544.90 is the resistance. Let's see, not much of a price action. This is how it looks on the 15 minutes, trying to break above, trying to hold above the 544 and the 15 minutes. Let's see continuation towards the 544.60, 545 to the upside. Let's check QQQ. Who else is with me? Hey Nancy, long time no see. Fadi, hi, how are you, buddy? All good. This is the QQQ on the 65 minutes. As you can see, broke above and out of this downtrend channel. Now let's see continuation and breaking above and out and closing above the 479 on the 65 minutes. This is how it looks on the 15 minutes. Always zoom in, zoom out, and then you will get a better price point of view of price action. What else do we have here? Now on the 15 minutes, this is the support, the 478.28, 479.49 is the resistance, a long continuation, and this gap will get filled, and then 481. Overall, green day. Let's check the IWM with 0.6% to the downside, not managing to hold above the 201. Now heading back to the 199.50 and then back to the 197.40. Dow Jones 0.8% to the downside, broke below the 392 area. Now the 389.50 will be the support. Bitcoin trying to get back, trying to bounce back to life, but we are still inside candle. Let's see, for now, doing nothing. Overall, bearish on the daily, bearish on the weekly. XLE after yesterday's broke up. Now, as you can see, trend lines are the true resistance and support. From resistance, this upper trend line from resistance now becomes support. For now, we are with an inside candle. Inside candle means no price action whatsoever, means no decision in the market. So if the market cannot decide, we cannot decide either. What else interesting do we have? Apple with 1% to the upside, inside candle. 207, 208 is the support, 213 resistance. Amazon 1.5 to the upside with an inside candle. Microsoft also inside candle, and as we can see, inside candles all across the board, which means there is some kind of an indecision. If you can see also Microsoft in the past 5 trading days, not much of a price action. Indecision, 446 is the support, below it 442. Nvidia with 5.85% to the upside. Let's check what's going on with my Nvidia long. Not bad. Google long, I'm holding 4 swing. I'm holding REGN, XLE, AVDX, and SLB. SPY, what's going on here? Let's check SPY on this 15 minutes. Still struggling. Overall, look at Nvidia trying to bounce back off the lower board of the yellow zone. Wait, I want to see a break and a close above the 126.20. SMCI. And by the way, Austria 1, Netherlands 0. SMCI now with 3.60% to the upside, holding above the yellow zone. Long continuation towards 877 and 908 to the upside. This was SMCI. Shopify trying to bounce, holding nice above the yellow zone. 65.60 is the resistance, long continuation, and then we will see 68 to the upside. What else do we have? Ami, hi, how are you this evening? Melly, let's check Melly. Melly with, for now, 4% to the upside, but we need, if you are already long on this name, in my opinion, your stop should be just below the 1550. If you're not long yet, I would wait for another daily close above the 1624. What else interesting do we have? Rivian. Hit a like, hit a subscribe, ladies and gentlemen. Let's grow this channel together. Rivian trying to bounce back above the yellow zone. The yellow zone, very tough resistance and support. Let's see continuation above the 1150, and then we will see 12 and 1250 to the upside. Overall, Rivian looking good as long as we are above this upper border of the yellow zone. Bullish on all time frames. What else interesting? I'm following CVNA. CVNA for now 3.8% to the upside. Just gained back all this downtrend, gained back, very bullish, long continuation, and we will see 131 and 140 with 113.88 is the support. Palo Alto, Pan W. What else? Pan W, we have still struggling with the 326 area. Look at this, Palo Alto, Pan W is the ticker. Very tough resistance, but on the bright side, we are bullish on all time frames, and as long as we are holding above the 312 area, we are good to go. But if you're not long yet, same as I'm not long yet on this name. I'm waiting for at least 2 days closing above the 326.80. Thank you very much, Moti. So what else do we have? Any other interesting names, interesting setups? Let's check VST. Very interesting setup, VST. I'm waiting for a break above the 91.70 area. We have also CVNA we talked about. What else do we have interesting? This is REGN. I'm holding for long position since it broke the 1031. And if you want to know my swing positions, my day trading position, you are more than welcome to join the Fibonacci Traders Discord, which, by the way, we took some nice longs and shorts. We took Tesla long, we took some Nvidia long. Look at this, we took Nvidia long. It went all the way to the red line. Now Nvidia is past the red line, which is pretty good. We took SPY long, for now not working so well because we saw that the SPY is struggling with this area. We are still long. Our stop loss is here at the 543.60. So if you want to join and don't trade alone, trading alone is pretty lonesome job. Join the Fibonacci Traders Discord. We have trading floor in English, we have trading floor in Hebrew, we have rooms for day trades, for swing trades. Look at this, in Hebrew, in English, everything is very, very active. A+ setups for longs, for shorts, everything that you need under one roof. Let's check VST. VST we just talked about. SMR. For Shachar, SMR. Let's clean the chart a little bit. Broke above the yellow zone. Now let's see continuation. Overall, SMR, very nice uptrend. You can see it just by trend lines. Draw your trend lines, and your trend lines will help you identify the trend. Now the 940 is the support, long continuation, and we will see 12, 36, and 14 to the upside. XOM, same as the XLE, we need to break above another daily close above the 114, and we can start taking long on this name. We can also take Fibonacci trend lines, which they will help us identify where is the next major resistance at this area at the 115. Now you can take also Fibonacci, the normal one, swing low, swing high, and there you have it, holding above the 50% area, the 114. Next resistance is this area, the 115.30 to the upside. Chewy, what's going on with Chewy? Yeah, Chewy, we have been waiting above this area. Now we've been waiting above this area. Very nice uptrend until proven otherwise. Now the 26.20 is the support, long continuation, and we will see 33.15 and 37.80. I have missed it, but there are always more potential setups each and every day. So what else? As we can see, SPY breaking below, and once again, this is why we have stop loss. We are still far from our stop loss, but this is why we have stop loss. No one knows what will happen next. No one. The only thing we can is prepare for the worst case scenario, and we have been preparing. We took long, and we have been preparing for the worst case scenario. Worst case scenario, breaking to the downside, breaking below the 543.40 area, and we are out of this long position. This is how it looks on the 65 minutes. Overall, not a day for day trading because we have 3 consecutive dojis. Not much of a price action. We can close this long. Let's close this long. We don't need to wait for the long is closed with a minimal loss. Yes, we are losing money. Sometimes we are losing money. It's part of the game, losing money. Know how to lose. Only by knowing how to lose, you will start winning and making money. ARK W, holding above this red line. We can take Fibonacci trend lines. They are much more accurate. And if you want to know how to use the Fibonacci trend lines, you are more than welcome to join me on the one-on-one live mentorship program or the same program pre-recorded. Both programs will gain you lifetime access for support guidance from me, and of course all Discord channels and access to this amazing FTI tool. This is ARK W, still below this red line, downtrend that started over end of March, holding above the lower red line. If you want to go long, in my opinion, we need to wait for a break above this white line. We can also take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high, and there you have it. You want to go long above the 76.50 towards the 77.60, and then 80, 79.80 will become a major resistance. What else do we have? That's it for now, right? Not much of a price section. We can start maybe taking short on the SPY below the 543.43. Below this one, I will put an alert to start taking short below this one. We can start taking already short on the 15 minutes when we have the stop loss at the 544.20, but I will wait because we are doji inside candle. We do not trade. We sit on hands. We don't need to trade every tick. We don't need to trade everything that we see. Sometimes the best thing to do is just sit and wait for that one opportunity, for that A+ setup that will help you become profitable traders. Tesla. Let's check Tesla. Struggling. Tesla is not doing anything. Sorry. Tesla is not doing anything. Basically, Tesla, since end of April, just moving inside this, I don't know how to call it, very tight price section, as you can see, inside this box, if you may, right? Long above the 190, towards 199 and 205. This is the support. Or just put FTI on your chart. See, FTI gives us everything. You have the 191, very important area of resistance. I'm waiting for a break above it, breaking below the 182, and we are going back to the 178, 176, and 173. Overall, we do have here, look at this, if you take trend line and you mark the lows of April and the lows of June, we are still in a higher lows. All we need to do is wait for a break above the 191, or you can take Fibonacci trend lines like this, you are inside an uptrend channel above the 191, 205 and 230, but let's see, a weekly close above it. What else do we have? What else? So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you find this short live pretty helpful. Not much to talk about because we are still inside candle on the 65 minutes. I want to see a break below the 543.40, and then it will start becoming interesting. Join the Fibonacci Traders Discord. Join us, the elite team of traders for swing trading, day trading, crypto, futures, whatever you want, and options, of course. Check the links in the description below. Choose your path to financial freedom. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, thank you very much for joining. I do appreciate each and every one of you. Until the next live, until the next video, enjoy the rest of your evening.